Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another haul. So this is actually a Aliexpress haul. So after a lot of my orders came in, I think this is the rest of the orders, and then I just place a new order. I try not to place a new order until I get my last order so that it's not like too much. Unless I see too much stuff that I like. Okay, so this one is I think it's actually a KLJUYP store. It's a bag topper, but it's that really cute ghost. So I picked that up. I don't know why I thought it was like a double ghost, but anyway, I really liked it. I thought it was super cute. This is from I think KS Crafts. Yeah, and it's a large cookie sheet, and then you can make it into a mini album. So I thought that was cute. So we'll give that a shot later. Okay, and then the rest of it is, oh, not all of it. Okay, so I did pick up some hair clips. After I went to the Made in Hawaii festival, I saw a bunch of vendors with these, and then I didn't buy it, and then I saw some on AliExpress. I just want to try it. It's not as good as the ones I think at the stores, but we'll see how it holds up my hair. And then I found these really cute Sanrio hair clips. They're a little bit smaller, so hopefully they can hold my hair. Okay, and then as far as beads go, I did get a small pack of these purpley pinkish colored looking peacocky beads. They're really small. They're the small size. I wish I got the larger size, but that's okay. I'll probably figure out what to do with those. And then these are like kind of like bugle beads, but I've never seen them in this iridescent clear AB finish look before. So the reason I got these is because I've been seeing people make beaded bows, and they use like this type of bead. So I'm gonna give that a shot. That's really pretty. And then the last thing I got is a set of these they're Sanrio like cupcake looking beads. So when I first saw it, I'm like, oh, this is a little weird, because so the hole is actually like here. So you would think, I don't know what I thought. But so when you put it on the pen, it's gonna be facing you, right? The image will be facing you. So I guess that makes sense, right? But it's pretty cute. It's a AB finish Sanrio character, so they look like a cupcake. So this is the Hello Kitty. There's also Kuromi. There's Pom Pom Pudding, Cinnamon Roll, and My Melody. I think that's it that I saw so far. I don't think there's any other characters. Yeah. So again, I probably won't need all of these because it was a set of 50. So I will most likely destash and give some away in my swaps and stuff. So that's all I have for this haul. It was actually small, but I have a large Temu haul that I'm going to share in my next video. Okay, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.